Digital currencies might be all the rage right now, but are they a wise asset group to invest your money in? Bitcoin has been setting records this year, reaching a peak of around $63,000 in mid-April. Other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and Ether have also been gaining popularity as investors scramble to jump aboard the cryptocurrency bandwagon. Crypto is a risky investment, and it's not right for everyone. But is it right for you? In this video, we'll try to help you figure that out. Today, BTC is the hottest topic in the financial markets. While some remain skeptical, calling it the mother of all bubbles, others believe that the price of the cryptocurrency can go as high as $500,000. What is Bitcoin and how does it work? The concept of digital monies that people send online is not that complicated in itself. After all, transferring money from one online bank account to another is doing exactly that. Cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, are a form of payment that uses blockchain technology to send data in cyberspace. Each Bitcoin must be mined via computational means. It is finite, only 21 million Bitcoins that can be mined in total. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not regulated by a financial authority, like a government or central banks. Considering the earnings potential. If digital currencies become mainstream, they have the potential to change society as we know it. Cryptocurrency supporters believe it will continue to become more widely accepted by merchants, increasing its value. By investing now, you could potentially make a lot of money as cryptocurrencies become more widely accepted. For example, 5 years ago, in April 2016, Bitcoin cost just over $400 for one coin. As of this video, Bitcoin is worth more than $54,000 per coin. If the price of Bitcoin continues to skyrocket, investing now could put you on the path to becoming rich. That is a big if, however, and there are plenty of risks involved in investing in cryptocurrencies as well. Speaking of the coin's future, Rick Rieder, BlackRock's chief investment officer of fixed income, said in his interview with CNBC that BTC is here to stay, adding that millennials are open to cryptocurrencies and digital payments, boosting Bitcoin adoption. According to JP Morgan's note from October 2020, Bitcoin now competes with gold as an alternative currency. Even a modest crowding out of gold as an alternative currency over the longer term would imply doubling or tripling of the Bitcoin price. Continued support from investors and further adoption will strengthen Bitcoin's status not only as a means of payment but also a store of wealth. Can Bitcoin make you rich? Some people have certainly made a lot of money investing in Bitcoin, but it is not for the faint of heart. Bitcoin is at the very high-risk end of the investment spectrum. The price of cryptocurrencies is volatile. You could lose money. Not much is known about many of them, some can go bust, and others could even be scams. No matter how popular cryptocurrencies become among investors, they can't succeed over the long term if they're not widely accepted by merchants. Cryptocurrencies can also be incredibly volatile, which adds to their risk. Bitcoin, for example, has lost more than 80% of its value in the past, and it's experienced multiple significant falls over the past few months. In the traditional financial markets, from stocks to forex to commodities, there is no such thing as a safe investment. Every investment comes with a risk of losing money. However, such risk increases significantly when it comes to Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. James Ledbetter, CNBC contributor and editor of Fin, spoke about the coin's high volatility. If you look historically at the price of Bitcoin, there have been a number of occasions where it really spiked and then came crashing down really quickly. Is cryptocurrency right for you? Like with any other asset, there is no definite answer to this question. It all comes down to your personal goals, strategies, and risk tolerance. The crypto market is famous for being very dynamic. Its volatility makes it difficult to predict what the price of a digital coin could be in a few hours, and let alone give long-term forecasts. Whether or not cryptocurrency is a smart investment for you will depend on your risk tolerance and your investing style. Think about how you would react if your crypto investments fell by 20% overnight. What if they dropped by 50%? What about 80%? If you know you'd either lose sleep or panic sell your investments in any of these scenarios, cryptocurrencies may not be the best fit for your investing style. On the other hand, if you have cash to spare and are willing to take on more risk, adding some cryptocurrency to your portfolio may not be a bad move. As with any investment, do your due diligence and don't pin all your hopes on one company or one cryptocurrency. Spread your money around so you spread the risk and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you have any further questions, make sure you leave a comment below. If you'd like more daily finance content, then make sure you hit that subscribe button to join our community of aspiring entrepreneurs and investors.